Hey, how y'all doing? I just got home from work. I probably been home probably about an hour. I had a good day. I had took me some ground beef out and so it was already soft and ready to cook. And I thought I'd cook me something to eat. Some hamburger helper. Something quick to eat. Some hamburger helper. My pasta is about ready. I will be pouring the water off in a second. And put my sauce on there and mix it up. It's gonna be good. Ugh. Eat me some dinner, get in the bed so I can go to work. Man, I told them people I wanna work. Have you ever had a somebody to come to work, always want to work, don't never want to leave work, always want to be on the clock? You ain't never had no employee like that? Man, I'm one of them employees. I want to be on the clock. I want to work. I'm looking for me another job. Surely. I'm going to go right on in there and get me a uniform shirt. I'm going to put my uniform shirt on. I'm going to go right on in there and get on the clock. Yup. I got things to do, places to go. I don't know where I'm going to get there, go get me a job. So I'm looking forward to getting the other job. I would have never thought that I would want to work all these jobs. But when you're going through a midlife crisis and you need to do something with your life, when you're going through a midlife crisis, you don't know what to do with yourself. You know you need some money. What you do? Get up, go get a job. That ain't enough. You want another job? Go get another one. Child, I'm finna try to get me 2 more. First, I gotta get the second one. I gotta get this other one. Then when I get in there, it down do right by me, and bam, I'm going to get me another one. I don't like to quit no job, child. I ain't finna quit nothing. I ain't going in the job to get fired. No. I'm going to the job because I want a raise. I'm going to the job. I want a raise every 6 months. I want me somebody want to give me $1 a year. I'll take $1 a year on your ass. Sure will be the best employee ever. I won't go nowhere. Give me a job, give me a raise, $1 a year, I take it. But my husband, he back there. I'm cooking dinner for me and my husband. My husband is here tonight. He is back there on the computer doing some important stuff. Then when he get done, he gonna go watch a movie. He's watching a movie tonight. He is off work for 2 days, so he will be here with me for 2 days. And he gonna be watching movies and stuff. So he enjoying his days off work, relaxing. Yep, he a nice guy. When y'all meet my husband, y'all really gonna be like, oh, he's so nice. He is very nice. We supposed to be got on live tonight, but we got other things to do. We doing other stuff, child. You over here, he over here doing something, I'm over here doing something. I'm over here doing over this, doing that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm cooking dinner for the both of us. I'm gonna take my noodles off. All right, I love y'all. I'm gonna call y'all back.